How you doing, guys? Chris here from Divergent Drones. Well, drones have been an addition to celebrations for many years now. Though fireworks are great, they often get canceled due to dry grass or dry air conditions. So in some areas, drone light shows have turned out to be a great, safe alternative. But nothing's perfect, and even this safe alternative can go wrong. This latest drone light show failure came from China just this week. Let's watch. Statistically speaking, drone light shows are safer than many fireworks displays, but accidents do happen. So let's hope we see more of these shows and less of those shows. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure there'll be more to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe.